Hi there, I'm Sarah-Kate and I'm a makeup artist and content creator and I'm 32 years old. My hair is very fine, so I need something to give me volume, a little bit of room, especially at the root because that's where it gets very flat. My favourite part about the Volumizing Foam Conditioner is it gives me a volume that I've never had before, and I also love the multi-benefit hair oil because it nourishes the ends of my hair, especially after a few days when they need some extra love. I typically wash my hair maybe 3 times a week, it just depends what I'm doing. I use the volumizing shampoo, but I also use the multi-purpose hairspray because it gives me the hold I need to make it last. I love the smell, it's so fresh and energizing, it instantly wakes me up, especially the hairspray. Having luxurious products is really important to me. It's like a beautiful moment to have 5 minutes to just be with myself and have beautiful smelling products. The KERASILK products help me achieve lovely voluminous hair really easily, and it makes my hair very soft as well, which I love. I recommend KERASILK because it's super easy, effective, and the products just work.